What's the meaning of boofhead? Boofhead. Boofhead.
Boofhead. Boofhead. Boofhead is an Australian slang term used to describe a person who is considered to be foolish or stupid. The word is often used to describe someone who lacks common sense or acts in a clumsy or careless manner. It can also be used as a friendly insult among friends. The term has become increasingly popular in recent years, particularly among young people in Australia. However, it should be noted that while the term may be used affectionately among friends, it can be considered offensive if used in a confrontational manner or directed at someone who may take offense.